Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your life and your business to the next level. If making money online is your desire and your intention, here I come up with products and trainings that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another blockbuster traffic software from Dawood Islam. This one is going live on the 27th of March 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And in a nutshell, it's a traffic product. This traffic comes from 5 different sources which are fairly known to a lot of people, and you'll be able to enjoy this amount of traffic from 5 different sources being driven to your offers, to your links, or to anything you have there online, as long as your choice is what matters. So this is a crazy little hack that will teach you how to make money driving traffic to your offers. And if as such this is one product you may like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below on my description area. If you stick with me, I will definitely show you through the amazing bonuses that I have for you, because right now we are on my bonus page, and when you click the link on my description area, first link, you have access to this bonus page. And when you get here, you use any of these links like this one and all the other links, light green, to actually check out on this one. And if you click any of this, it will take you to the sales page of this one, where you will be able to use this $3 discount pop-up to actually get further discount on this product. I understand that the front end price for this product goes for $12.95, and with this $3 discount you will have it for just $9.95. And with that said, if you don't mind, let us think and look at what this product is all about. With Spring Traffic, you will be getting buyer traffic to any URL of your choice. This traffic comes from 5 different sources, and once it starts, it never really ends. With your copy of Spring Traffic, you will get access to Brand New Rotator, which has very special new for 2022 traffic source. Nobody knows about this traffic source, and it will be yours, and it can be implemented and used for any niche whatsoever. Let us see the prices for this one. Unfortunately, I don't have access yet to the members area, the dashboard area of this product, because Dawood Islam said that it's not ready, and I am doing my product like I normally do a day before the product is launched, so that I have access to at least rank my videos to get to you, so that you can see if you can use this one to make money online. Now, the front end price for this one goes for, like I told you before, $12.95, and with the discount coupon that I showed you earlier, $3 discount, you have it for $9.95, and it gives you access to the very members area of this software, which unfortunately I'm not able to show you today. And it sends traffic to any URL of your choice, gets set in 60 seconds, your link placed on 5 different rotators, including their brand new Spring Traffic Rotator from a brand new source. So that's what you get. OTO number 1 for this one is called Spring Traffic Pro version. It goes for $27 downsell, and this one will give you further advantages over the front end, which is basically limited in certain ways, but with this you have no limitations. OTO number 2 will be the Elite Academy. It goes for 37 monthly recurring, and you can pay in $3 trial downsell. And OTO number 3 will be reseller rights. It goes for $27 downsell. OTO number 4, done for you weekly campaigns, goes for $47. And OTO number 5, total traffic fix, goes for $97. And OTO number 6, Elite Tigers Group Global Ambassador, goes for this amount of money, and of course downsell of $497, and you'll be able to have the brand new global ambassador program, get a huge range of benefits, including 10% profit with no artificial outlay on the future Elite Tiger Group product launches. Okay, so it's basically another crazy incentive for you if you opt to get this very down OTO number 6. But I can always say that OTO number 1 and front end of this $9.95 and OTO number 1 may be all you need, but you can always take advantage of all the other optional OTOs to your own advantage. That I can assure you. Now, with that said, let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you for this one. My bonus number one will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, a crazy hack that you must take advantage of. My bonus number two will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, which means with this hack, you will be able to complement the advantages you have with this very spring traffic, and to be able to actually make attractions one thing you will be able to get as long as driving targeted traffic and any kind of traffic to any offer of your choice. This is a crazy hack that will complement this very product, traffic, spring traffic. Now, my bonus number three will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, a crazy one. I'm an affiliate marketer to that because of this very training, and I am giving it to you free of charge. And now my bonus number four will be how to convert your traffic fast. One thing is to have traffic, even with this very spring traffic and all the other traffics that you are exposed to with this product. One thing is to have those traffic, and the other thing, which is more important, is to know how to convert this traffic. And this very hack is going to definitely teach you how to convert your traffic very, very fast. And my bonus number five will be definitely all the vendor bonuses. And when you get here, as I told you before, if you use this link, it will take you to the sales page, and you can get discount, $3 discount with this coupon using this link. And of course, when you do that, you have it for $9.95. And when you do that, it will take you to my Water Plus account, where you buy this product. Under your purchase history, you find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to these two buttons. The green one gives you access to spring traffic, and this one below gives you access to the highest and exclusively tailored bonuses that I have for you, which I just show you. Now, with that said, you can reach out to me if you have any issues with this email address, and of course check out my website here. And now, with that said, let us see the sales page and try to wrap this one up. Now, with this, you have access to the $3 discount on this very front end. And now you will be able to go through this. It has 3 basic steps as usual. Purchase, grab a copy of spring traffic using the link in my description area. And of course, step 2 will be set up your system, as it will be shown to you on the dashboard area of the members area. And then step 3, sit back and enjoy the traffic that will translate into money for on your hands. Now, with that said, you have all the information you need on the sales page. Let us locate the very bonuses that I have for you, which make up some of the products that Dawood Islam launched recently, some of which I actually gained access to and reviewed. One, I guess, should be Xmas traffic, winter traffic, triple traffic, total traffic, traffic time. All these things are all products of Dawood Islam, and he is giving all those free to you if you eventually pick up this. And bonus number 1 from him will be Tiger traffic. Bonus number 2 will be Lucky Dollars. Bonus number 3, I guess, will be Commission Blueprint. Bonus number 4 will be the Lockdown Formula, which was a product he did with my mentor Jonah Armstrong during the COVID-19 2020 lockdown. That was when this product was put in place, and a lot of people used it to actually begin to make money today, and some of them are actually gurus in their respective fields, as long as making money online is concerned. Now, bonus number 5 from the vendor will be Dolphin Dividends, and that's about 5 bonuses from the vendor, 4 from me, making it 9 crazy, immaculate bonuses that you have for this one. So with that said, we will definitely try to wrap this one up. It is very easy because it is a traffic product which you will take advantage of. And with that said, I will end this very review on the note and the fact that you are encouraged to like, subscribe, comment to my program, and of course use the bell button to get notifications. I will definitely come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye.